Trying to figure out why your contractor is charging $2,000 to install a door that costs $465 at Home Depot? Alright, so first off, the price you see on the door itself is just the start. When it comes to door installation, there's way more going on behind the scenes than just putting the door in place. You gotta think about things like the materials needed for installation, any prep work, like removing the old door or fixing the frame, and sometimes even dealing with permits if your condo rules require it. Labor is a big chunk too. Installers have to make sure the door fits perfectly, seals properly to keep out drafts and moisture, and meets any safety requirements. Plus, if your condo was hit by a hurricane, there might be extra repairs needed on the surrounding structure that add time and cost. Don't forget about cleanup and hauling away the old door or debris, which some contractors include in their fees. Also, contractors usually have insurance and overhead costs that get folded into their price. So yeah, the sticker price of the door is just one piece of the puzzle when you see those kind of quotes. One of the biggest mistakes people make with door installation after storm damage is assuming the cost is just about the door itself. That often leads to sticker shock when contractors add charges for prep work or repairs. Fix. Ask for a detailed quote breaking down labor, materials, permits, and extras. Another common issue is not checking if the contractor is licensed and insured. Sometimes cheaper installers cut corners, which can cause problems later. Fix. Always verify credentials before you hire. Lastly, not considering warranty or guarantees on the installation can be a mistake. You want to make sure if something goes wrong, they'll come back to fix it without charging again. Fix. Clarify warranty terms up front and get it in writing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners like you connect with trusted local contractors who are upfront about pricing and quality work. It's also great for contractors looking to find real jobs from people who need their skills without all the hassle.